Now, Philippa and I are fortunate to showcase and sell houses in some fantastic villages, but Alne has to be one of our favourites.
This postcard perfect village is the epitome of family living, boasting a primary school, cricket club, coffee shop and a cosy country pub. And we're about to show you a very special family home.
Believed to have been built in around 1850, this elegant former farmhouse has got over 3,000 square feet of living space.
This bespoke kitchen has been so cleverly designed with extra deep granite worktops for additional storage and prep space, and I just love a pantry. We've got 3 wonderful reception rooms. But before we head upstairs, we've got one more living space to show you.
And our clients simply call it the big room.
The 4 double bedrooms are served by 3 bathrooms and the attic is huge. The property sits in around 1/3 of an acre.
And the rear garden is private, mature, just perfect for families and gardeners alike.
But that's not all. We've also got 1,200 square feet of outbuildings.
The garage is great, but our favourite has got to be
The converted hayloft.
it's such a fantastic space as it is.
But the potential in here is enormous. This is a truly exceptional family home in one of the region's most sought after villages.
So if space and privacy are high on your wish list, we'd love to hear from you.